Oh, Rodney, what are they doing to you, buddy? We had a rule about not eating the Papillons. I have a feeling it's going to be don't eat the Aussie.
It's okay.
Oh, you got so excited he peed over there.
He's a big... What's there, Rodney?
Debbie!
I think Rodney wants to stay with me. Mom, what are they? Rodney just keeps coming to me.
Well, Zaxby's more interested in the Diego started chasing
What's up, Rodney?
He's not actually that much bigger than that. I mean, he's bigger, but he's not.
Oh, when he's wet, he's normal size.
He's not like the Great Dane that we had that
buddy.
week. He's not looking at me. He's being sweet. Oh, jeez. It must not be hurting him because I see him bite him, nip him, and it doesn't seem like it's hurting him. Hey, nip him.
It's pretty big. I don't think it's a big issue.
No, see, he goes for the lens caps. What are you doing? Rodney.
We'll get it, D.
Look, it's like trying to get past the alligator.
He's like, wait a minute, I don't think so. Oh, he's getting a little tired.
You're trying to be all quiet over there and move all slow.
Think about how many steps they have to take to get water too.
Yeah, burn it. Although it burns so fast, I'll have to turn something in the fire or start cleaning it. Yeah, I know. As soon as Dad gets the camera, everyone stops playing. Oh, it's big one. Can you see it?
Zaxby, are you getting a little cranky?
Diego.
Jeez, Ron.
What's he doing?
He's got one leg on the deck and the other leg's like falling off through my lap.
Watch your teeth.
Yeah.